Hey guys, I'm back with another video on how I apply my wig because you guys keep asking me how I apply my lace wigs or my frontals or whatever, and I was like, I ain't doing shit. So I showed y'all how I applied this wig that I got from, I don't know how the Instagram name is pronounced, so I'll have a picture of their Instagram right there for you guys. I have 3 bundles and a closure. The closure is 16 inches. I have a 16-inch bundle and 2 18-inch bundles, I do believe. If I'm mistaken, I'll link all that in the description box. But if you guys want to see how I applied my wig, then just keep on watching my video. Okay, I know I'm looking crazy, but the first thing I do is I try to like push my baby hairs down, because you know I don't want to get the glue on them. Well, it's not glue. This is my got to be. I take that and I put some on the back of my hand. I know I've seen like a whole bunch of videos on how to lay your hair with the got to be and the free spray, and most people, they just put it on their hair and then spray, but I don't like to do that. I like to put it on the back of my hand, spray it, and then I mix it in on the back of my hand. It smells like alcohol. I don't like the smell. And then once it's like on the back of my hand, I know there's probably too much, so I'm probably just gonna wipe the rest, like the leftover on a towel. But I'll start lining it on my hair, like along the line. And this is how I make my closures look natural, and my frontals I like to leave, like, you see, since I'm gonna have a side part, I left this whole perimeter out, and I only left this part in my widow's peak out. I'm sorry I'm not looking into the camera, I'm just looking in, because I don't have a mirror right here. And I was gonna be ghetto and like take my closet door mirror and put it right there so I could look at it, but it's doing too much. So I'm just guessing where my wig is gonna lay. But some of the the gel, I put it on my forehead right here, so it can lay down. And see how like it looks hella white? Try to just push it back as much as you can, because the white one dries white if you put too much. The clear one doesn't, but the clear one, it doesn't stick as good as this one. I use the clear one to slick my hair down. That's why it's like super hard, because I don't have any more Eco Styling gel, so I use that one. I would not use that the black one like on a daily basis to slick my hair. It's too hard. Okay, gel. What did I just drop? I think I dropped my clicker on the floor. Oh well. I need a little more here. This is my Beyonce that I'm about to be using. So yeah, I call my wig Beyonce because I fucking love Beyonce. And no, I didn't drop my clicker, you guys. I dropped my comb. I'll pick it up. I'm gonna get it right now. Okay, my bad. But I dropped my clicker. My clicker was sitting on my lap. I dropped the comb. So I'm gonna lean this way to put this dang wig on my head. And since it's like, I didn't bleach the knots on it, that's why it still looks like this. But I'm gonna put foundation on it. But this is a middle, well, I wear this as a middle part, but since I wanted a side part, I just parted the, like, see how it's curved? And so when I put it on my head, I'm gonna put it on like this. Just like this. I'm gonna turn it to the side. Okay. Oh, she's on my head. Make sure I didn't get my hair. And this, the yellow bottle of Got To Be, it dries a lot faster than the black one. Like with the black one, you probably would have to use a blow dryer. With this one, it dries a lot faster. That's why I like it. Make sure all my hair is right in there. See? And you set it down right where all the gel is. Then my comb that I dropped. But you see how it already looks natural? But you can see those little black dots because I was too lazy to bleach the knots on this. I'm just pulling my hairs out that got stuck in there. You just want to tap this down in there. Like I'm using this as a comb because I don't want to press it because I don't want to get the hairs. Like I don't want the hairs to be gelled down. This video is so, ooh, no, don't mess the curl. This video is so long overdue. Like people keep asking me how many layer wigs and blah, blah, blah. There's a million videos on YouTube, but people want to see me do it. I guess they want to see me do it because my butt leaves my edges out. That's because I have a widow's peak. Like you see how far my widow's peak comes down? It comes down like right here. If I lay my wig right there, look how small my forehead would be. So I'm gonna, ew, it's making my eye look drunk, the hair laying on my eyelash. But that's all I do. The comb got stuck. And now I'm gonna just do this because it's kind of dry. Just push the rest of the hair. And you guys are gonna see why I leave my widow's peak out right there. And why I have this out. But on this side I have everything out. Because this hair here is gonna cover all of that there. Because I usually wear it like this to the back. I'm gonna take my extra mega hold 24-hour edge tanner. I love this edge control so much. I'm gonna start with my widow's peak first. Oh yeah, but first, what I like to do, I know this is probably not good, but I do this because it takes it off my thing. I like to take my this Neutrogena stuff. You guys don't have to do this, you can use oil, but I like to use this. It's some salicylic acid. I use this for my face. I like to take just a tiny bit of it on a Q-tip, like I put it to it. Y'all don't have to do this because I know it's probably not good for me putting it on my hair, but I like to use it anyways because it takes everything off, and I just like run it real fast over my edges. See, it's getting all the makeup off, and I'll probably rub it down a little on my forehead. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on this side. Just like that much of the hair out. It's really hard doing this shit on fucking camera, bro. And then what I'll do is make a scoop with the hair that's on the front of the wig, like that. So do make that little swoop like that. And then with my widow's peak, since I leave it out, I'm gonna make the other part of the swoop. And I'm pushing it back like this because it's covering that piece of the wig. I think I took out too much hair there. Just laying it down. It takes me a while for this part because I like my baby hairs to be laid. Don't mind all this in my comb, guys. When I'm like taking my wig off, and I'll wet my hair and then I'll comb out the gel. That's all that is. So if you guys are wondering like, what about her comb? My boyfriend be doing that, like with my brushes. I'm pretty sure it's not me, but a lot of girls, they be having like a lot of stuff in their brush, but it just be like my leave-in conditioner, my gel. Like I wet my hair and I'll just brush it and it gets all in my brush. My boyfriend thinks like, what the hell is that? I'm like, yeah, it's just my gel or my leave-in conditioner or whatever. Cause he be using my brush. And look at that pimple right there. And then on this side, it's a good thing I'm doing that because a lot of people ask how I lay my edges. So there's no point in me doing this side because my hair is to the side and it's gonna be covering. But what if the wind blows back? You feel me? They don't want to see some. This side I really don't put too much effort into laying because you're really not gonna see that. The hair is gonna fall over. So while this side is done, I like to do it like side by side. I spray it with some water because right now, like, I just washed this wig last night, and like with my wigs I'll rinse out the conditioner, but I'll put some conditioner in it like after it's all washed and nice, just so it won't get hella big. Because this hair, if I don't like tame it with something, it's gonna get really huge. So now I'm just wetting it. Yes. So that's one side done. Now this side, which is the side that I know you guys are waiting for, because this is the side that's like, girl. Okay, so I'm putting some edge control, and I put a tiny bit of edge control on the hair because my hair obviously is a lot thinner than the closure, so I'll put a little bit of edge control and swoop that part with my hair. See, like how you can see like how my hair is thinner than the actual hair on the closure. But I put it all the way down in my hair. Sorry about that noise. Fucking neighbor. You always be slamming the damn gate. Like, the fuck do you need to slam it? So I'm gonna just do it like that, section by section, and I'm gonna do this last. So let's do. You see how I'm talking? How like said I bring it with my hair a little bit. One swoop. I don't like to like lay it. I want to comb it out so it can just, you see how it just blends in with the hair. For the bottom one. You see how I told you like it covers the part of the lace right there. But then this part right here, I put the edge control, and I don't comb it or nothing, I just put it behind my ear. But you see, so you can still see the knots, because I was really too lazy to bleach it. And half the freaking wigs that I be wearing, I really don't bleach the knots. I only bleach the knots on ones that, like, the knots look super duper 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 thick. These ones didn't look that thick, but I posted a picture and stuff on my Instagram the other day, and you guys were like, oh my god, closure laid. Yep, I didn't even bleach it. I'm wetting this side, because earlier in the video y'all saw me mess up my damn curl. And I'm just doing this with my finger. I really don't care if this side gets as big because this side has more hair because I turned it to the side. So I really don't care. But that's how you see when I pull it back. Looks like my hair. This one dries so much quicker than the black one. But the black one, it's like, I like it too because it dries clear. I just wish the yellow one dried clear too. I'm taking my foundation and I literally just put it where the part is, and I bring it down on my forehead like this, and I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. Tap this in. If it gets on my hair, I just do this with my nails. But where I brought it down on my forehead, I just blend it out with my finger. That is it, you guys. That is how I apply my wigs. Whether I'm doing a side part, middle part, frontal. Well, frontal is different, but I do the same method. I leave my edges out. But that's exactly how I apply my wig. And you see, I only left a little bit of hair right there just in case the wind blows back a little bit. I don't care about that. But on this side, I left all that because I like to put it behind my ear. That's how I apply my wigs, because everybody asks me how I apply my wigs. and that's how I apply them. So I hope you guys, oh my gosh, oh I thought it was lipstick on my chin, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a, oh wait, okay, yeah, I forgot to say one last thing. My lashes and what I'm wearing on my lips, I'll put that in the description box. I'm gonna be taking pictures later and I'll post on Instagram with everything, but just for the video I'm gonna still do everything because I know you guys are gonna ask. But like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, comment on it, comment whatever you want. All the comments I get on my videos are usually good, so if you guys have a negative comment, it's just gonna get deleted. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow my Instagram. It'll be right there, and I will see you guys in my next video.